Hi, and welcome to another edition of your Austin Real Estate Minutes. I'm Kristen Scudder, realtor here in the Austin, Texas area with Horizon Realty, and today we're going to be covering some affordable and easy ways to get your home ready for those upcoming cold winter months. We'll go ahead and get started with ways to get your home winter ready. So when I'm discussing ways to get your home winter ready, I'm going to be kind of talking from a perspective of someone that lives in Austin, Texas. That means that maybe some of you all that are watching this that live up north might be listening to this as we go through and be like, what is she talking about? Well, the reason that our preparation is not quite as intensive as you all might experience up north is simply because the weather. Here in the Austin area, especially inside the Austin city limits, it only gets below freezing probably a handful of nights during the winter months. The winter months also consist of end of November, December, January, February, into a touch into March, but that's really about it. So one of the easiest ways to get your home winter ready is going to be taking care of those external pipes, water pipes more particularly. So here in Austin, one of the easiest ways are going to be simply by taking your hose and detaching it from its hose bib on the outside external water spigots. Now, Home Depot sells these little things, and you have to excuse me, they are actually ones that I use on my own personal house. And they're great. They're simply made out of styrofoam and a little bit of additional insulation here. And you simply just attach it to the spigot, pull this little lever tight, and then done. Your home and external pipe is now safely sealed from those freezing cold temperatures that you might experience. One of the other fantastic things about these things are you can literally buy them at Home Depot for about $3 or $4 a piece. So right, super affordable, and two, super easy to install. The last plus on these is that, as you can see, these are slightly well worn. Reason being is because I've actually been using these for 5+ years on my own home. And as you can tell, we're now at the end of November and I still haven't installed them. That's because today was 75 degrees. So again, one easy, simple way whether you live up north or whether you live down south is to just make sure you insulate or wrap or seal up any sort of external water pipes or hose bibs that might be, again, exposed to those cold temperatures outside. All right, this next one is probably the easiest and the cheapest out of all of the items I'm pointing out today, and that is going to be the direction of your ceiling fan. Now, here in Texas, we have ceiling fans in almost every major living room in the house, such as your living room, a secondary living room, all bedrooms. And during the winter months, you want to make sure that ceiling fan is turned to where it's spinning clockwise. Reason being is because hot air rises, and by turning your fan clockwise, you're going to allow that heat to get turned in that fan, and therefore you can actually experience it yourself. So not only does it keep you warm, but it actually, because it keeps you warm, allows you to use your heater a lot less, which therefore is actually going to save you money on your electric bill or heater bill in the long run. So again, super simple, super easy. Just make sure that fan is spinning clockwise to ensure that all that hot air gets down to ground level where you can enjoy it. Something else that you can do that's going to keep your home as energy efficient as possible, not only in the winter, but all year round, is going to be the temperature that you set your water heater. Most manufacturers give you your water heater where the tank heats up at about 180 degrees. Now, who wants to take a shower at 180 degrees? I don't know one person that does. So one of the best ways is to lower the temperature on your water tank to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. That way it's just expending less energy heating up that water in the tank that you're not going to use anyway. And it's one of the easiest ways to, again, save money on your energy bill. You're already going to probably be using more natural gas because you're using your furnace. You might be cooking more. You're using your gas fireplace. So therefore, this is going to allow you to save a little bit of money on that bill. They also say that by doing this all year round, you can save up to 30% on your energy bill. So this is something that you can not only do during the winter months, but it's something that you can do all year round. All right, the next easy and affordable way to get your home ready for those upcoming cold winter months is going to be checking the batteries on your smoke detector and your carbon monoxide detectors. Now, this is really something that you should do at least once, twice, if not 3 times a year. But if you do it no other time of year, please at least do it when you're prepping your house for those cold weather. Reason being is because, especially here in the Austin area, you're going to be using a lot of natural gas for your stove, for your water heater, for your furnace, for your fireplace, or maybe even propane. But either way, there's going to be gas coming into your home that's going to be utilized to heat your home, cook your food, and heat your water. Therefore, having working batteries in your smoke detector and your carbon monoxide detector is just going to safeguard you from any sort of incidents or accidents that might happen. And again, something that you should do more than once a year, but if you can remember no other time, remember in November that it is time to make sure that those batteries are working. Last and certainly not least is making sure that your windows are caulked and your doors are sealed. So just checking the weather stripping, making sure the caulk around your windows is sealed, as well as checking your attic insulation. These are just ways to ensure that your house stays as energy efficient by keeping all of that warm air in, as well as keeping the cold air out. Another added benefit of making sure your house is completely sealed is by not allowing rodents call your house home during those winter months. Not only are you staying inside more because of the cold weather, but your neighborhood rodents are looking for a place to hole up too. So you want to make sure that not only your house is sealed up as possible to make it as energy efficient as possible, but that you don't have any unwanted guests
we didn't come to impose
calling your house home during those winter months. All right, everyone, there you have some affordable and easy ways to get your home ready for those upcoming winter months. I hope you found those tips useful and helpful. If you had any other additional tips that you would like to provide for me, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm always looking at learning new things. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in learning about all things real estate, but more particularly home ownership in the Austin, Texas area, I'll be putting out a video at 5 p.m. every Wednesday, and I would love for you to be a part. So hit that subscribe button. So thank you all so much for watching today. I look forward to seeing you here next Wednesday at 5. And until then, have a wonderful week and take care, y'all.